Hey dolls and gents, I am back. I am doing a video all on this hair. I am styling my wig that I made today using hair extensions from Ali Grace. This is their Brazilian loose wave hair. I have in 4 bundles plus a lace frontal. I have in 28, 26, 22. Wait. Let's backtrack that. I have in 28, 26, 24, 22, plus a 20-inch lace frontal. It's been a minute since I rocked the lace frontal, and I actually have my wig adhered down with glue. Like, when do I ever do that, right? I'm not gonna be sharing the glue with you guys today. I installed it the day before yesterday, and I've been testing out like the glue just to see how long it lasts on me and to see if I have any reaction to it before I share it with you guys, of course. So definitely stay tuned for that. Do not mind my nails. They look so ratchet on this hand. I have to get my nails done. I'm gonna go to the nail salon tomorrow. Okay, so don't come for your girl. Don't come for me, not today. So when I first installed this wig, I was rocking it in a side parting, which was super cute. Today, I opted to rock it in a middle parting, and tomorrow I will probably rock it up in a half up, half down kind of style. Like, I really love the versatility of this hair. It's not curly, but it's like a really nice wave. It's really, really pretty. I show you how I define the hair today, how I define these gorgeous waves. When I first styled this hair, my hair was still nice and soaking wet because I did apply water to this hair today. But this is after like 8 hours. I did my hair like 8 hours ago, so I let it air dry. It's summertime, so it's perfectly cool to let your hair air dry, and it conserves energy because you don't have to diffuse or blow dry your hair, right? So as far as tangling with this hair, I have had a little bit of tangling in this nape area right here, and I've noticed because I never sleep with my wigs on, but like I said, I adhered this down, so I noticed that I probably need to braid this hair at night because I am having a little bit of tangling back here in this nape area. So I'm gonna braid it down tonight and see if I still have tangling back there. But I have had pretty much little to no shedding. So shedding is not a problem, just the tangling right here in the nape. But it's probably because I'm sweating back there because it's been hot as heck in Atlanta. And if you live somewhere warmer than Atlanta and you're like, girl, it's not hot. It's hot to me, okay? Oh, my boyfriend hates when I say that, but he's not here, so whatever. So if you're interested in checking out these hair extensions from Ali Grace, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys. I will also leave a coupon code if I have one for y'all. And if you want to see how I styled my hair today, then you know what to do. Stay tuned, guys. By the way, I know y'all are going to ask about my makeup. I did do a Facebook Live today, so I will link that in the description box down below for you guys as well, if you're interested in seeing this makeup look. So I just finished doing a Facebook Live makeup tutorial on this look for you guys, and I had my scarf on the whole time. I am testing out this new lace wig adhesive. Well, it's new to me, but it's not a new product, and I want to see how long it lasts and if I have like a reaction to it. So I already glued down my wig yesterday. I installed this wig for the first time, and today I'm just going to style her up. So the baby hairs are pretty much like already laid, but I need to style my hair for the day, so that's what we're gonna do. So yesterday I did a deep side part on this side. Today I'm going to part in the middle. And this is a frontal wig that I made using hair extensions from Ali Grace. So it doesn't part like all the way back, but I have nice parting space. So I'm gonna first just brush through and detangle the hair. Next, I'm gonna take a spray bottle mixed with water and leave-in conditioner and spray down the hair. Then I'm going to brush through it again. Then I'm going to take this Design Essentials Curl Enhancing Dual Hydration Milk, and I'm going to apply it all over the hair. And scrunch it up. And then for this parting, I'm going to take a little bit more of the water. And I'm going to take this Design Essentials foaming wrap and put it all over the top of the hair to lay it down and make it flat up top. Oops, I hope I wasn't flashing y'all. One of my buttons was undone. Sorry. So again, gonna do the same on this side. And then brush through it. Oh my gosh, this shirt right here. It doesn't want to stay buttoned. Just keep brushing through it until you get all the hair detangled and the curls poppin'. Gonna take my dual hydration milk again and run it through the hair to hydrate it. And then we're gonna scrunch. That's major key for redefining these curls, is scrunch this hair up. The curl pattern is gonna look a lot more loose when it's wet than when it's dry. Okay, next we're gonna wet the top of the hair again. Ooh, I got my face. There we go. Then we're gonna take the foaming wrap again and apply that all over the top of the hair. So we're gonna let that air dry, and I will be back once my hair has fully air dried. So I'm back 8 hours later. My hair dried within like 45 minutes because it's super hot here in Atlanta now. It's summertime. I love summertime, but I can tell it's gonna be a hot summer, okay? Because it's already in the 90s here in Atlanta, and we're not even in July yet. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be one of those summers where it definitely hits above the hundreds, I think. Don't y'all think? But anyways, I love this hair dry. As you can see, it gets super full, super fluffy. When this hair is wet, it looks a lot more thin and tamed down, but do not be fooled because this hair is super full, okay? As you can see, and it will get fuller than this. Like if I just keep letting it fluff out, it will get even bigger than this. Yes. But y'all know, I live for big hair. The bigger, the better, so I'm all for it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I will catch y'all in my next one. Thank you so much for your love and support. I love y'all so much, and I have a lot more content coming for y'all, so I will catch you in my next one. Bye. By the way, if you have not already watched my last YouTube video, click the box right here, watch it. You need to be caught up on all of my videos. If you're not, then you're not a true supporter. Maybe you're not a supporter at all, but if you watch to the end of this video, I know you're a supporter. You support your girl. So click this video and go to my next video. Thank you. Bye.